Hello! Greetings from Abu Dhabi.
Hello, Philippines.
Jollibee.
Good afternoon sa inyong tanan diha. We would like to congratulate my brother and my new sister-in-law Iting on your wedding day. Best wishes. Sorry if kung wala mi nakatambong diha. You know the reason, but we are happy for both of you na nag-decide na gid mo on your next level, and wish you all the best.
Hi Vin, hi Ting. First of all, congratulations and God bless sa inyong marriage. Hinaot ang inyong panginabuhi, at the same time buhay mag-asawa, maging successful and happy forever, especially unta naanay incoming kwan nga apo na pod sila Mami Rosalinda og si Daddy Arnulfo. Wish you all the best. Hinaot nga next year naano mo dire para kauban na ta mo dire, di ba? Para happy tanan. Congratulations again.
Ay, Tito, naka-winter outfit na ko, Tito. Tito, pag-anhin mo akong Christmas gift o birthday gift. Dayon, kung happy birthday, ay, congratulations, Tito, sa inyong wedding day. Hello, Tita Iteng. Tito, ayaw away si Tita Iteng, ha? Hello, Tita Iteng, Tito RR. Congratulations sa iyong kasal.
Okay, so enjoy mo tanan diha. Brother, see you soon. And congratulations, best wishes again to you and to your new bride. See you soon.
See you. Take care, amping mo always. We miss you.
Bye-bye.